In this lesson, we're going to take a look at how to edit existing drawing views. The file that I have up is views.idw, which can be located in your Chapter 5 exercise folder. So the views that I have over here, so I have my base view, and you'll notice as I move my cursor over the edges of that view, it'll highlight. And at this point, I can move that view, and you can see the projected views, that were done horizontally and vertically, that is, those move with it. The isometric view, however, is free to move wherever it wants. It doesn't have to stay in that quadrant as shown here. You can move it wherever you want. If I move one of my projected views, you'll notice I can only move it at this point in the angle that it was projected from. Let's move up to the isometric view. Sometimes it's helpful to view that in a shaded view. If I move my cursor into the middle of that view, right click, I can edit view. From the edit view dialog box on the lower right hand side, we have different options. So right now I'm in the hidden. Alright, let's change it to hidden. Go ahead, click OK. And you'll see I now have all the hidden lines. Let's repeat that, and let's change it to shaded. If by chance these dialogues down here, or these buttons down here, are grayed out, you're going to have the option style from base check, so simply uncheck that and change your style. So in this case, you'll see that I have a combination of both the hidden and the shaded display. So let's go ahead and edit that, and let's uncheck the hidden edge. One more time. And there we go with our nice shaded model. There are some other options that we can do here. So let's edit that, and I'm just going to uncheck the shaded. So as I zoom up tight, you'll see that we have tangent lines. And that is an option that's available for you to turn on or turn off. From the Display Options tab on the left-hand side, it says Tangent. I have two options here. I can either turn them off, or I can do foreshortened. With foreshortened here, let me move this dialog box out of the way here. You'll see right now it goes all the way to the edges. With foreshortened, the tangent lines will fall a little bit short. If I edit that view one more time, and let's uncheck tangent, no line will appear. Also, while you're creating your views, at some point you may create a view that you really didn't want to create. To delete one, simply take your cursor, move it into the view, right click, and delete. And you'll be prompted to delete that. If there was another view that was associated with it, so for example, if I would try to delete the base view, it's also going to warn me, do I want to delete the children views, yes or no? So in this case, I'm going to cancel because I really do not want to do that. The next thing that we can do is we can break the alignment. If I try to take my side view, as shown before, we can go back and we can move that, in this case, horizontally only. But sometimes if your drawing gets really crowded, you may need to move that view. And the way to do that is move your cursor into it, right click, and from the alignment option, we have break. And once I break that view, you'll notice that it now defaults to view AA. So now I can move this wherever I want on my drawing sheet. To bring that alignment back into place, move your cursor back over that view, alignment, and in this case I want to align it horizontally. Select a point in that base view, and I'm now aligned horizontally again.